Very warm good evening, my dear children and viewers. Today, I am before you with the set of examples of direct and indirect speech. Already, we have covered part 1, part 2, and part 3, where we covered the briefing, the introduction of the chapter, then the rules as per the tenses required, as per the sentence formation it is required, the changes required in the adverbs, everything we have covered. Now we are going to practice with different examples, right? So let's start. Here direct speech is given. They said we are happy. Okay, so present tense it is. They said that they were happy. Present tense will change into past tense. Simple present will change into simple past. So because the reporting verb they said is in past tense, right? Next is she said my sister is playing well. Okay, continuous will change into past continuous. She said that her sister was playing well. Anurag said, I have finished my homework. So present perfect will change into past perfect. Anurag said that he had finished homework. Direct speech, Ananya said to her cousin, I will go for a walk. So future, it is future indefinite simple future. Simple future will change into will change into would. Okay. So Ananya told her cousin that she would go for a walk. Right. Here, Alka said, I brought a pen yesterday. So simple past is there. In that, Alka said that she had brought a pen the day before. Okay. So adverb is also changed and simple past is changed into past perfect. Right. Ananya says, I eat mango. So reporting verb is present tense. That's why there will be no change in the tenses of reported speech. Ananya says that she eats a mango, right? Next is teacher said. Again, the reporting verb is started in the past tense. So she said, but your condition is that if the reporting verb is in the past tense, but reporting verb is the universal truth, then there will be no change in the reported speech, right? Teacher said the sun rises in the east. Teacher said that the sun rises in the east, right? My father said Mount Everest is highest peak. Okay, so my father said that Mount Everest is the highest peak. Guris is says Kulveer writes a letter. So the reporting verb is present tense, and that's why Guri says that Kulveer writes a letter. He will say to me, Kulveer is my friend. He will tell me that Kulveer is his friend, right? So reporting verb is in future tense, and that's why the reported speech will be the same. All right. Next is I will work hard to get first class, said Lata. Okay. So Lata said that she will be changed into would work hard to get first class, right? You can do this work, said Tanvi to Manvi, right? Tanvi told Manvi that she could do that work, right? He says is a present tense reporting verb is I am glad to be here this evening. Okay, so adverb is there in the sentence. Let's see how it will change. He says that he is glad to be there that evening. Here will be changed into there. This will be changed into that evening. Okay. Next is be careful. Imperative sentences are there. Be careful, said he to her. So he ordered her to be careful, right? Bring me a cup of tea, said Nell to Andy. Nell asked Andy to bring him a cup of tea. She said to me, let us go to a park. So she proposed me that we should go to a park, right? I said to him, let me come in. I requested him that I might be allowed to come in, right? So request is there, right? Next is she said, let me take some rest. She wished that she might take some rest. Okay. Next is, won't you help me to carry this box? Said I to my friend. I asked my friend if he would not help me to carry that box. Mohan said to Sita, why did not you attend the meeting yesterday? Mohan asked Sita why she had not attended the meeting the day before. How often do you go to the drama classes? Said Dipali to Ankita. Dipali asked Ankita how often she went to the drama classes. Mahmood said to Sanya, do you like oranges? So Mahmood asked Sanya if she liked oranges, right? Next is exclamatory sentences are the wow, what a beautiful flower that is, said she. She exclaimed joyfully or with joy that that was a very beautiful flower, right? Next is what a horrible sight, we all exclaimed. We all exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed that it was a very horrible sight. Alas, I have broken my brother's watch, said he. He exclaimed with sorrow that he had broken his brother's watch. How charming she is, said Bob. Bob exclaimed with joy or surprise that she was very charming. We said to Shweta, many happy returns of the day. We wished Shweta many happy returns of the day. Next is direct speeches. The captain said to the goalkeeper, bravo, well done. The captain applauded the goalkeeper, right? Next is, and the last one, she said, may you live long. She wished that I might live long. Okay, so this is a set of very good examples in which all short of sentences are covered. So watch it thoroughly, take a pause, and you can note it down, write it down as well. So just mug up as much as you can to just have a command on direct and indirect speeches and practice other set of questions which is given in your textbook. Okay. Thank you everyone. Keep watching, keep learning, keep growing, stay motivated.